and a special shout out to you for watching this video. And I got so inspired by the shoes I made for Dad that I wanted to make more shoes for Mum as well. So I've got this red shoes, that 2 pairs that looks exactly the same, maybe just the color of the red difference a bit, and they will look the same. But this little, I will say light red ones, they fit Mum, but this is a different plastic, so they don't want to fit. The straps is too short, so I'm gonna change the shoes. So I want to make these shoes gold. I tried the Sharpies, but it doesn't work, so I'm gonna spray them gold so long, and while that is drying, I will make the other shoes. So yeah, let's get started.